doing my July favorites for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Okay, first of all, my Clarisonic actually died on me this month, and it was just a tragedy because I didn't realize how much I loved my Clarisonic and just how much that brush has really just helped my skin improve like 1,000 times. So, like I said, that Clarisonic completely died on me. I did happen to get another one, and I got it in this color green, but let me just say I love my Clarisonic, you guys. And if you guys are really looking for a way to get your face really clean, yes, I know the Clarisonics, they are cost a nice piece of change, but guys, they are so worth it. They are so worth it. So the one I have is the Clarisonic Plus. If you can't get the Clarisonic Plus, I would definitely recommend getting your hands on the Clarisonic Mia because it's just an amazing product. And once you have a Clarisonic, you cannot live without your Clarisonic. So, and the head I have on it, if you're wondering, is the Acne brush head, but I absolutely love my Clarisonic, and I'm so happy to actually have that back. The next thing I've been loving this month, and I completely had forgotten about it, but this is the Falling in Love, and this is a perfumed olive oil body scrub. And yes, you can still get clean with this. It does have soap in it. It doesn't really give you a lather, but this is a really good product for just exfoliating and removing dead skin cells. And I absolutely love this. I did not realize how much my skin needed this until I used it the other night, and my skin just felt so soft afterwards. It just felt soft and just nice, and I smelled amazing. So absolutely love this. I'm probably going to use this at least 3 times a week now to just make sure I keep removing the dead skin cells off my body, because this product is absolutely amazing. The next thing I'm going to talk to you about is the foundation that I've been using for this month, and I discovered this and it has been holy grail for me, well, concealer rather, and this is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And I didn't know really anything about this. I went to MAC, I didn't know what I was looking for. I told the MAC makeup artist that basically I was looking for a concealer that was going to be nice, creamy, long lasting, and didn't have to worry about it creasing underneath my eyes, and she recommended this, and I'm so glad she did. I am in the color C42. I do believe it's an NC42, and it is just an amazing concealer. The only downfall I have about this concealer, guys, is its glass, and I don't like that at all. I'm so afraid that if I go on vacation or something and I take this, I'm gonna drop it on the floor and break it in the hotel room. So that would be my only little thing that I don't like about this concealer, but it's amazing. I will tell you that you do have to have a quick hand when you're using this, because it's like paint. Basically, this concealer is paint. You're painting your face with it, but it's amazing, guys, and I absolutely love it. So definitely pick this up if you're looking for a nice, creamy, long-wearing concealer, because once this hits your skin and you get it set the way you want to, it's not going anywhere. So absolutely love this concealer. The next thing by MAC, I have to bring it up again, 3rd month in a row I think, is the MAC Fix Plus, guys. Amazing, perfect for setting your face, perfect for putting your powder underneath your eyes, for foiling your eyeshadows, just so many different things you can do with this product. I absolutely love it. Definitely got to pick this up. Also, guys, thumbs up this video if you want to see a MAC starter kit video. I'm pretty much going to do it either way, but thumbs up if that's something that you really want to see. I was actually surprised when I was looking for MAC starter kits that I was thinking that they were something completely different, but basically it's where people just show you the MAC products that they first purchased, kind of thing. Mine's going to be a little more in depth with that. I'm going to be showing you my entire MAC collection. So yeah, so thumbs up the video if that's something that you would like to see, because I think there are some great shadows at MAC. And what I've learned, like even with this eye look that I have on today, MAC shadows just have so much more dimension to them. So I'm just really in love with MAC shadows. The next thing I'm going to talk about is actually going to surprise you guys, because I did not like this product, and well, actually I have 2 products like that, and they're from the same line. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is the Hot Mama, and as you guys know, this is a blush if you're familiar with the Balm Cosmetics, but some people were saying you could use it as an eyeshadow. I personally have been doing something completely different from those two. I've actually been using this as a highlighter, and let me just say I love it. I have it on today in those areas, and I love it as a highlighter. I have it down the bridge of the nose. I just really love it. Really pretty, kind of peachy gold kind of color, and I think it's just the perfect highlight for summer. The next thing is also another product by The Balm. I love this product until my skin just had so much acne, and it was where I was putting the product at. But now that I've realized it, like I said before, I really don't think my Clarisonic was working all that well from the beginning. Like, my Clarisonic had messed up a while and I didn't realize it. But I went back to using the Bahama Mama, and I've had no more breakouts. It's absolutely amazing, and it is my favorite contouring powder and bronzer in one. I just absolutely love it. Nice matte. I've hit pan on it finally after a year and some, and I absolutely love this for contouring. My favorite blush again this month is the Bellissimo Bronze by Milani. I think they still make this. I have yet to find out. I don't know. I'm in love with it. If you do happen to find it, look at Cherry Culture, some of those websites like that. There's another one, I can't think of the name of it, Pig something. I can't think of what the name of it is. But just really nice, pretty, peachy color that I absolutely love. So, and still in love with that. And then for the lip products this month, really easy, really simple. Of course, the Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks. This one is in 660, the Berry Halt one, which of course you guys know is a dupe for Riri Boy, just a different shine. As you guys know, Riri Boy is matte, and this one is more of a luster. And then last but not least are these NYX butter glosses. Guys, I'm so late on these that I actually had to make a list when I went to Ulta of the products that I wanted, and these were something that I definitely wanted to give a try, and I'm in love with these. My favorite one, I don't have it upstairs because it's actually in my purse, but it is the Tiramisu. It's my favorite one. It is the perfect nude, guys. If you have a chance, definitely pick that one up. You guys will love that one. I promise you, you will love it. Just a little bit of the gloss goes a long ways. They're nice, they're creamy. I absolutely love them. The two that I have here are Peaches and Cream, which I believe is the dupe for the Nicki Minaj Viva Glam. And then the next one that I have is the Strawberry Parfait, which is this really kind of neon, more of a purpley color, and this one's more of a neon pink. But I absolutely love the NYX butter glosses. So the last thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is my favorite brush for this month. I think this is important that I throw this out because I do have a code down below for you guys. So this is a Sigma brush, and this is the E25 blending brush. And I love this brush because I just cannot do a makeup look without it. I'm gonna be talking about this brush a little bit more in the MAC video that I'm planning on doing for you guys, showing you my collection and everything. But I'm gonna talk about this brush and the reason why. Because right now, for me, this brush is it. Like, I wear it with all my shadows. I use it every single day. I have multiple of these brushes because I love it so much. It is perfect for patting down shadows. It is perfect for applying shadows into the crease. Perfect for blending out those colors in the crease. This brush can do so many different things that I absolutely love it. If I could eat it or marry it, I would, because I love it that much. So wonderful brush. I have my affiliate code down below, which can actually save you 10%, which is a really good deal because these brushes are really not that expensive, and no matter what your order is, you still get the 10% off on it. Plus, also, if you make an over $30 purchase, you happen to get a free gift. So just remember that your subtotal has to be over $30, and you get a free gift along with that as well. So there you guys have it. Those are my favorites for July. Hope you liked the video. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Thumbs up if you want to see the MAC haul as my next video. And thank you guys so much for watching as always. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to stay tuned for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the very next video. I have on clothes, by the way. Bye guys.